Hello, my name's Richard and today I'll be showing you the basics of setting up your LoungePad for the first time in preparation for downloading to your iPad. First, you'll need to log in with the username and password that has been provided. Once you do log in, this is the first screen that you will actually see. Create a new package area and a couple of icons up here. And clicking on these packages, because we've got no packages at the moment, this doesn't work. The editor also won't function because we've got no packages. And the My Accounts area. And the My Account area shows you the amount of space that's been allocated to your subscription, 100 megabytes, and the amount that's actually currently being used. In this case, no megabytes. The email here is the administrator email. Again, this is our email along with a password. This email is also used in the surveys and questionnaires that you'll be setting up in LoungePad. And all surveys and questionnaires are sent to this email. But additionally, if you wanted to, you could add a second email address here, and then clicking on Save updates the package. Now, if we were to go back now, we'll see we have two emails. So both yourself and a colleague or a second email for yourself can receive surveys and questionnaires. I'll just delete that again and save it. Again, it goes back to the beginning, and then what we'll see is reverted back just to a single email. The second email address is the iPad end user. This is for the administrator side of the iPad. This is the username and password that is used to download the actual setup onto your iPad. You'll now need to initially set up your packages. The first thing you'll need to do is create a new package. In this case, we'll call it very creatively LoungePad and press the Create button. This is now the editor screen, which shows you the different widgets which will be used to set up your LoungePad, different main pages, photos, videos, etc. Again, as I've shown you, there's no difference in the My Account. But if you now look at the Packages section again, what we have here, it's indicating us that we changed our email earlier. But it also has an area for your statistics. So once you've downloaded your setup to your iPad, you can look at the stats and usage of the different areas within your iPad. For questionnaires and mailing lists, these are different download areas which allows you to open up files in CSV formats. Clicking back on the editor view takes us back to the main LoungePad setup, and we will be covering the widgets and their main setup in the next part of the tutorial.